All right, so let's try to understand what are ratio and rate. So let's discuss rate first because it is more commonly used in our everyday life. So rate is, for example, you just go to a shop and you want to ask the person, the shopkeeper, that, for example, you want to buy apples and you ask him what is the rate of your apples, what is the rate of these apples, and you just hear a numerical value for that. So what the shopkeeper tells you, for example, is a RS100, RS100 per kg, right? It tells you RS100 per kg. So whenever he says RS100 or any other figure, he's actually giving you the cost of apples uh, of mass 1 kg, right? So if you, for example, go to a shop and ask a person how much do the bananas cost, and he tells you RS 250. So he's actually telling you RS 250 per dozen, probably, right? So he's giving you the cost of 1 dozen bananas, right? So I'm not even sure if these values are, really making sense because I don't think that bananas are 250 or whatever. So it's just an example. So he's always giving you the value of one of the units that the thing is measured in. Bananas are measured in dozens, so he is giving you the value of 1 dozen bananas. Apples are made in kgs, so it's giving you the value of 1 kg apples. So whenever the value of a unit of that thing is talked about, we call that thing to be the rate of that thing. For example, we want to talk about the rate uh, of of your journey. For example, you traveled a 100 meter distance, 100-meter distance in, for example, 20 seconds, right? So we can say that at what rate did you travel it would actually mean that how much distance you travel in 1 second. So we know that by division we can get that result, and which is equal to 5. So 5 meters per second was your rate. You traveled 5 meters in 1 second, so you travel 100 meters in 20 seconds. And this particular rate of your displacement is called velocity or speed of yours, right? So rate is actually used in a lot of our everyday life, and whenever, just remember that whenever we're talking about rate of something, we're actually talking about how much thing is covered or talked about or discussed or in any context, but in the unit reference of the measurement of that, right? So like we sell apples in kgs, so RS100 would be the rate of apples uh, if RS100 is 1 kg, if RS100 is for 1 kg, and like 250 is the rate of bananas, that would mean the RS250 is the price of bananas or that are 1 dozen, right? So whenever we have this one basically as the reference of anything, we call that thing to be the rate of that. So the unit measurement of something is called the rate of that, right? And what is ratio? Ratio is basically simple comparison of two things. Like, for example, you say that if you want to compare the price of apples and bananas, they are in ratio 100 to 250, and we can then simplify it to like 10 and 10 ratio 25, and then simply we can further simplify it to 2 ratio 5. So whenever we simplify things that are in comparison by just dividing with a common factor, we get a ratio of those things. Like bananas are, we can say, 2.5 times more expensive than the apples if we want to discuss them into the units they're measured. For example, we're not discussing dozens. We can keep the units common, and then we can compare the mass of apples and bananas as with respect to their price. We can say that bananas are two and a half price 2.5 times more expensive than the apples, right? So how do we know that? Because 250 divided by 100 is 2.5, but we can simply put them into the numerical values using the simplification techniques by factorizing them with a common factor, and we get 2 ratio 5. So ratio is basically something that gives you a comparison between two things in the simplest form, and rate is something that gives you the the comparison of one thing with another thing with reference to the unit measurement of the another thing. So I hope I didn't confuse you. I tried to be as general as possible, but that's how you understand ratio and rate.